Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an important topic to discuss: how to get rid of that stubborn mildew smell from your carpet. If you've ever encountered this issue, you know how unpleasant it can be. But worry not, we've got some fantastic solutions for you. Let's jump right in. Before we dive into the solutions, let's quickly understand what causes that musty odor. Mildew smell in carpets usually occurs due to moisture, water damage, or improper cleaning. The good news is, we can tackle it with a few simple steps. Step 1. Identifying and treating the source. First things first, it's essential to identify and treat the source of the mildew smell. If you're dealing with a persistent odor, chances are there's still moisture present. Check for any leaks, damp areas, or excess humidity in your home. Fixing these issues will prevent the smell from coming back after cleaning. Step 2. Vacuuming and deep cleaning. Now let's move on to step 2. Vacuuming and deep cleaning. Start by thoroughly vacuuming the affected area. This will help remove any loose dirt or debris. Afterward, choose one of these effective methods to deep clean your carpet. Method 1. Vinegar solution. One popular method is using a vinegar solution. Mix equal parts of white vinegar and water in a spray bottle. Lightly spray the affected area, ensuring you don't oversaturate the carpet. Then, using a clean cloth or sponge, gently blot the surface. Vinegar is a natural disinfectant that helps kill mold and mildew, while also neutralizing odors. Method 2. Baking soda and essential oil. Another great method involves baking soda and essential oils. Sprinkle a generous amount of baking soda over the affected area. Let it sit for a few hours or overnight to absorb the odors. If you'd like to add a pleasant scent, mix a few drops of your favorite essential oil with the baking soda. Vacuum up the baking soda and voila! Your carpet should smell much fresher. Step 3. Air circulation and drying. After you've treated the carpet, it's crucial to promote air circulation and drying. Open windows, turn on fans, or use a dehumidifier to help dry out the area faster. This step ensures any remaining moisture evaporates, reducing the chances of the smell returning. Step 4. Prevention tips. Lastly, let's talk about prevention. Nobody wants to deal with mildew smell again, right? Here are a few tips to help you prevent future occurrences. First and foremost, make sure to clean your carpets regularly and vacuum them at least once a week. This prevents dirt, dust, and moisture buildup, which can lead to mildew growth and odors. Tip 2. Proper ventilation. Ensure proper ventilation in your home, especially in areas prone to moisture, such as bathrooms, kitchens, and basements. Good airflow helps prevent the conditions necessary for mildew growth. Tip 3. Quick drying. If your carpet gets wet, whether from spills or cleaning, make sure to dry it thoroughly within 24 to 48 hours. Moisture left untreated can result in mold and mildew growth. And there you have it, folks. By following these steps and implementing preventive measures, you can easily eliminate that pesky mildew smell from your carpet. Remember, tackling the problem promptly is key. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, Subscribe to our channel for more useful tips, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy carpet cleaning!